Life has its moments that can leave you feeling utterly broken, where the weight of sorrow drags your spirit down into the depths of despair. In these times, it can feel as if hope has slipped through your fingers like sand, leaving only a sense of emptiness behind. Yet even amid the shadows of your pain, there exists a gentle reminder that you are never truly alone. Embrace the stillness. It is often in the silence that you may hear the whispers of encouragement and the promise of restoration. When you find yourself in this painful state, remember that God sees every tear you cry and understands the battles you face. Your struggles do not go unnoticed. They are cherished moments in which you are invited to draw closer to Him. It can be difficult to perceive the light when engulfed in darkness, but the truth remains. There is a divine presence that walks alongside you, carrying your burdens and lifting the weight from your heart. This journey of healing is not a race, but rather a gradual unfolding, where every small step counts. As you navigate through the scars of yesterday, be assured that healing is a sacred process, one that God intricately weaves into the fabric of your life. Piece by piece, He is restoring your spirit, allowing grace to mend what feels shattered. Each day, though it may seem daunting, brings forth the potential for renewal. Open your heart to the possibility that every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger, more resilient, and filled with hope. Just as the sunrise chases away the night, so too will your spirit awaken, vibrant and renewed, ready to embrace the beauty that lies ahead. Stay anchored in faith during these turbulent times. Seek solace in prayer and meditation, and allow the power of divine love to surround you. Surround yourself with those who uplift your spirit and offer encouragement, for community plays a vital role in healing. Remember, you are woven into a greater tapestry. Your story intertwines with those who have journeyed before you, and those who will come after. Trust the process and believe wholeheartedly that restoration is not just possible, but inevitably on its way. God is faithful, and He is doing a work in you that will transform all that feels broken into something beautiful.